back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making crepes. Ingredients we will need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1½ cup of milk, 1½ cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now we're going to shift the flour so there will be no lumps. Now we will put the flour aside. Now we will start cracking the eggs. Now we will whisk them. Now I will add the milk. Then we add the water. And then the salt. And then the vanilla. Now we will start whisking again. I will add the flour in the whisked ingredients. Mix it well. Lastly, don't forget the melted butter. Now stir. Now I will add some butter. Stir. And now try to tip the pan over a bit to make it a bit flat and a bit easier to flip. Flip it until it's golden brown. Ooh. Now tilt the pan a bit so it becomes a bit flat and easier to flip. Check if it's golden brown. If it's not, don't flip it yet, but if it is, you can flip it. My finished product of the crepes. Now I'm going to take a crepe and put filling inside of it. I choose cinnamon and sugar and lemon for my filling because it's my favorite. You can also add Nutella to yours, or you can also have cream cheese. But I chose cinnamon and sugar because it tastes yummy with crepes. Now I'm adding some lemon juice. There. And now we roll it up. Now it's time to eat.
It's good.
It's like a beaver tail, except rolled up, and it's a bit more chewier. Another topping. It's Nutella and banana. Now let's add some bananas. And now we can sweep this too. Okay, that's fine. Now let's roll it up. Time to eat it. It's very good. I recommend these. That was really good. I recommend these crepes for you because they're very healthy and easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, then click that like button and subscribe. And click that bell to be notified when I post my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!